All right, Professor. Welcome to the number 2 section of Chapter 10 Screencast. We're going to be doing branching today. I'm going to be taking what I learned in your video and kind of switching it up a little bit as far as where the turtle position is going to start, where the print's going to be in the box, and what it's going to say if the requirements that we want to be met are met. So I'm going to start off on the top of this WebTurtle box by adding a little note to self that it's going to be ignored. It's going to be that this is a CIS 150 branching screencast. Now, for the sake of this WebTurtle and showing that we know what everything is going to be doing, we're going to just start by showing the turtle. We're going to face it to the left 90 degrees. It's going to face over there, and we're going to move him, let's say 150 over. Okay, well that's too much, so we can make it a little bit less, let's say 110. Perfect. We're going to move him back right 90 degrees, so he's facing up, and we can move it, let's say 30 pixels up. Let's do 35, so he's resting in that top third of the box. Now that we know where the print's going to be, we can get rid of this show turtle. He's gone, and we're going to start our branch. We're going to start with if. Like we learned, this input box right here is going to be denoted by a caret. So if we have, let's say we're making this for grading a test. If we have a score that is larger than 94, so 95 and higher, we're going to reinforce it with a positive color, let's say green, and we can tell the student out of this world with a little exclamation mark. If that's not the case, we can set the color to red, more of like a failure, and we could say study harder with a little failure face right here. And then after that, we just want to end the branch and test out if this works. So we'll set our number. Let's say our student didn't study and got a 50%. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add print to both of these. Print. All right, let's hope this works. All right, we got print study harder. That's going to show up if we got under a 94. Obviously, this would be if it were a 93 as well. I'm not saying this is real, so it would still be an A, but if it's under the desired score, we're telling our student to study harder. You didn't do a good job. And then let's say we got a 100. Out of this world. Oh. For some reason, that exclamation mark isn't showing up, so we'll just get it out of the way here, and we can do a little smiley face or something. Oh, that's not showing up either. So we'll just revert back to out of this world, and we see right here that our branch works and all is well.